अतसी पुष्पसङ्कासं हारनूपुरशोभितं रत्नकङ्कणकेयूरं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं श्रीकृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कुटिलालकसंयुक्तं पूर्णचन्द्रनिभाननं विलसत्कुण्डलधरं देवं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं श्रीकृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ॐ कृष्णाय नमः। ॐ राधे गोविन्दाय नमः। ॐ राधे माधवाय नमः। ॐ बृन्दावनविहाराय नमः। ॐ भक्तहृदयनित्यनिवासाय नमः। ॐ कृष्णपरब्रह्मणे नमः। Embodiment of divine souls, Amma's beloved sweet children, love you so much. The grace of Krishna, when we have abundance of this grace with us, then we got opportunity to think about Krishna, to chant the name of Krishna in our heart. We are going to be the Krishna's disciples in this lifetime. That is so beautiful, sweet children. Our heart is completely filled with ananda, filled with that eternal joy. Eternal peace comes in the life by thinking about the Krishna. Krishna is eternity, not the human body. When Yashoda was asking to open his mouth and show the mouth, there is some dirt you eat in your mouth, no? Krishna opened the mouth, then the mouth, Krishna shows the Brahmandas, all the entire cosmos in Bhagavan's mouth. What it is, no? It is the divinity. Krishna revealed the divinity to Yashoda. The next moment Yashoda entered into Maya, is it really Krishna show me the Brahmandas in his mouth? It is true. Maybe true or not, I don't know. That is some Maya she was thinking. Yes, she was in Maya. She don't understand. But she loves Krishna so much, like all of us, all the Kali Yuga people in Maya. But we love Krishna so much. This is our duty to love Krishna, to purify our lives, our hearts. The purification comes. How much purification comes by chanting the name of Krishna? I have no words at all, children. Countless lifetimes of your devotion. You surrender to the Almighty. It gives you the philosophical flavor, the spirituality, intense inner vision, and the true love on Bhagavan. All the boons are going to grant in this lifetime. These are the boons for human life. To trust God, to love God, to do the seva for God, to be one with the God, thinking always in the heart about God. So when we see in the Vyasadeva Bhagavatam, Vyasadeva was discussing 9 chapters before the Krishna's birth. Vamana Avataram, Nrusimha Avataram, Srihari, so many avatarams, so many incarnations, lot of stories comes there. So many beautiful stories, Vishnu stories. He never speak about Krishna in all these 9 chapters. Varahamurti from Varaha Puranam, about the Vishnu introduction, Vishnu Puranam. Like this, all the Puranas, 9 Puranas, he spoke, but he never speak anything about Krishna. After listening, Parikshit Maharaju, he was with the death fear. A snake comes, it is going to bite him, and he was going to die with this snake in 7 days itself. In the 7 days, the Parikshit Maharaju heard this beautiful Bhagavatam story from the Sukha Maharshi, the greatest Sukha Maharshi, the son of Vyasadeva. And he was speaking about lot about Bhagavan Vishnu's grace. Then this Parikshit Maharaju forget all the things. Mind is our human mind, how it is, children? Swiftly running in the mundane life towards the passions, desires, so many other things. But the Krishna's stories and Krishna Leelas, what the Leelas of Krishna, it stopped our mind, troubling mind. Very disturbing mind was completely stopped by the Leelas of Bhagavan Krishna. That is the divinity in Bhagavatam. The stories, when we had heard about the story, Krishna was stolen the butter, going to the Gopika homes, and he was there in the Gopika home. She tied him, the Krishna, to a pillar and came to Yashoda Maya and told to Yashoda Maya, come to our home. Your son is in my home. I tied him to a pillar. He was giving hard time and he was stolen butter. He's a very mischievous boy. You have to come and see your boy. What you are speaking? Look at my son, how humbly, how politely he was seated there and eating prasadam from my hand. Come inside and look at him. And Krishna was in the home of Yashoda Maya. Krishna was in all the Gopikas' homes also in the same time. They don't understand this. That is the divinity. Where our mind is never going to understand, yato vacho nivartante aprapya manasa saha. Mind never going to reach that place. Your intelligence never going to reach that place. Our Vedic knowledge, our spiritual knowledge and our sadhana, anything is never going to reach that place. We have to remain in absolutely silence to experience that divine abundance of grace. He was so mischievous boy. They don't understand what is this Maya. That is the Vishnu Maya. Children, if you do 40 days sadhana, for example, 40 days we are listening about Krishna or any god and goddesses, we are listening about that. After the 40 days sadhana, you become, your heart will completely filled with Krishna's love. You become Krishna. So 40 days sadhana is very important. So some sankalpas are not possible because of the previous lifetimes of the karma load is giving this hard time in this life. We have to burn all the karma load with today effort with the sadhana. That is very important. In the Anushtanam time, what we have to do? We have to eat only the vegetarian diet. We have to have some rules and regulations to be contemplate more on the Bhagavan, to do the sadhana, mantra japam. Guru's grace is very essential. Without the Guru's grace, we can't do anything at all, children. If your heart is completely filled with the Krishna's love after the 40 days, definitely for your eyes, you are going to experience Bhagavan Krishna in your heart chakra. You are going to experience Bhagavan for your external vision also. It depends upon the intensity of your love on Bhagavan Krishna, children. Very beautiful. We must not criticize Guru at all. We must not criticize God at all. Any God also, any faith also. If you want to understand, we have to purify our heart with 40 days. Definitely Krishna, from the Goloka Brundavan, he comes to Brundavan. From Brundavan, he run like anything to your home. Your home will become Brundavan. Your heart will become Brundavan. Your eyes will become Brundavan. Your each cell of your body will become Brundavan, and you remain in always unbelievable eternal Ananda only. Amma want to see you in that highest Ananda, children. In that highest Ananda, we want to be live in that highest Ananda. All the time we must not remain in sorrow, in tears, in depression, in desires and likes and dislikes. This is common. We are born in this world not for these reasons. Whatever the lifestyle you may have, wherever you may be, any country, any continent, doesn't matter. You need absolute devotion on the truth. Truth is changeless, truth is benediction, truth is absolute, truth is beyond time and beyond anything in the universe. You have to love the truth. The truth we call Krishna. That's it. Yashoda was running behind Krishna. Oh Krishna, where you are? She was running behind him. He was running like anything. It was so beautiful. We just merge in the Leelas of Krishna. We forget about this world. That is the power of the Krishna Leela. Only bind our mind. Our mind never going to bind with anything, children. Only Krishna Leela can bind our mind, and it stopped the mind. It stopped there. We stick to the Krishna's stories and the Leelas. And finally what happened to us? We forget we have a body, we have this pain, we have this problem. We want to merge in that eternal divinity. That is Krishna's Leelas. Love you so much, children. We will be continue the program. speak more about Krishna. Krishna festival is 5 day celebrations. This year also we have beautiful programs. Amma special motherly love to all of you, always from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.